Tuesday with Stefan.
How's it going, guys? Stefan here. Welcome back for another video. I have something cool for you today. Are you tired or do you hate ads popping up all the time? Let's say you're watching video on YouTube. Let's say you're watching a movie, but there's a 50-20 ads on the video. I understand this is a business, but it's annoying if you watch something and then let's say after 10 minutes there's an ad, another 10 minutes another ad. I mean, I understand, but it's annoying. In this video I'm going to show you how to skip the ads. Okay, so just follow my steps. It's very simple and works every time. So let me open a video on YouTube. This is for YouTube only, so make sure that this is for YouTube. Let's play one of my favorite movies. As you can see, The Godfather from 72. As you can see here on the left side on the video, there's a plenty of ads. This yellow stuff are ads. How to remove these ads and watch the entire movie without any ads? Very simple. So basically, did you see the beginning of the video? Make sure you tap on the beginning and scroll down to the end. Voila. And now, as you can see, the end. And now what you have to do, just watch the video again, and voila, as you can see, there's no more ads, and now you can enjoy your entire movie without any ads. Very simple, very easy. This works all the time. So here we go. No ads. Enjoy your movies, your shows, whatever you watch on YouTube. Now you can watch it without any ads. This is Stefan. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button and check my YouTube channel for more cool videos like this one. And yeah, stay safe, and I'm going to see you in my next video.